Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is July 7th, and we're looking at the Dow, and as you can see, it's almost 1% down as we speak, which is expected. I'm expecting this to at least just half of this bar, probably all the way to the end. And once it holds, I'm expecting in the next couple of days, this side will be filled, this structure will be filled. First step, and then this will be the next step. As we get more economic news, we expect the Dow to edge forward higher. Your key to trading this is to wait for an engulfing bar. And once you get an engulfing bar, you can bullish engulfing bar. You can trade this upstairs. So today, as you trade, wait for this to hit support. Look for engulfing bar. Take it upstairs. I hope this helped, and I'll see you. Thank you.